All right, welcome. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the world of data science. We're essentially going to crack the case on what it is, who does it, and honestly, why it's one of the most important fields of our time. So here's the core of the issue. We are all, right now, absolutely swimming in a sea of data. I mean, think about it. From social media feeds and medical records to every single financial transaction, the amount of information being generated is just staggering. The real challenge isn't just collecting it anymore, it's actually understanding what it all means. So, how in the world do we solve this case of data overload? How do we turn all of that noise into a clear signal? Well, the answer lies in a field that acts a lot like a detective agency for the digital age. And its name? Data science. At its heart, data science is this really powerful blend of different disciplines. It's not just one thing. You've got to have the rigor of a statistician, the programming skills of a computer scientist, and, this is crucial, the real-world context that an industry expert brings to the table. It's that combination that lets data scientists find these hidden patterns that, no single field could ever find on its own. It's a pretty rare mix of skills, which is exactly why these data detectives are so in demand. Okay, let's clear up a really common point of confusion right now. Think of data analytics like looking in the rearview mirror. You're examining evidence from the past to understand exactly what happened. Data science does that too, but its main goal is to look forward, through the windshield. It's the entire detective agency, building the systems and the predictive models to figure out what's going to happen next. So let's meet the hero of our story, the data scientist. Let's follow the clues of their investigative process. Who are these data detectives, really? And what does their day-to-day work actually look like? You see, a great data scientist is so much more than just a number cruncher. They're like a master interrogator, always starting by asking the right questions to figure out the real problem. Then, of course, they need the technical chops and stats and coding to analyze all the evidence and use AI to see what it all means. But, and this is so important, they also have to be master storytellers, able to walk into a room and clearly explain not just what the data says, but why it actually matters for the future. And this right here shows their typical workflow. It's a cycle. First, you gather all the evidence, all that raw data. Then comes the really critical processing step, cleaning it up, organizing it. And listen, this is not a small task. Some studies show data scientists can spend up to 80% of their time just getting the data ready for analysis. Only then can the real fun begin, where models are built and patterns emerge. And finally, the findings are communicated, which, you guessed it, often leads to new questions and starts the whole cycle all over again. Every great detective has a specialized toolkit, right? A magnifying glass, fingerprint powder. A data scientist is no different, but their tools are, let's say, a little more high-tech. So let's open up their toolkit and see what's inside. What's really cool here is how we can organize these essential tools by what they do. For programming, that's the language you use to actually talk to the data, Python and R are the kings, and SQL is absolutely essential for pulling data from databases. For visualization, making sense of the clues visually, tools like Tableau and Power BI are indispensable. And then for the really advanced stuff, the forensics, you've got AI and machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Those are the real game changers. Let's look a little closer at those two main programming languages, Python and R. You can think of them like two master locksmiths. Python is the versatile, all-purpose tool. It's loved for its readability and its massive ecosystem of libraries that make it a total powerhouse for machine learning. R, on the other hand, is more like a specialized set of tools, crafted specifically for deep statistical analysis and creating these beautiful, super insightful visualizations. Both can crack the case, for sure, but they each have their own strengths. So here's the crucial point. Modern data science is basically supercharged by machine learning. This is where those frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch come in. They give our detectives a kind of superpower, letting computers automatically learn from these huge amounts of data, find patterns way too complex for any human to see, and then use that learning to make some seriously powerful predictions about the future. Okay, so we've got the detective and we've got their powerful toolkit, but what kind of cases are they actually solving out in the real world? Why does any of this really matter? The impact is absolutely profound, and it's happening everywhere. In healthcare, this isn't just a theory. It's analyzing thousands of medical images to spot diseases earlier than a human eye ever could. In finance, it's building the models that figure out credit risk in seconds, not days. It's even being used in public safety to help deploy resources more effectively and actually prevent crime.
This isn't abstract stuff. This is data being turned into real-world, life-changing action. And because of this incredible impact, these data detectives are in huge demand. Just look at this. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a 23% growth in employment by 2032. Now compare that to the average of just 3% for all other professions. That's not just a trend, my friends. That is a fundamental shift in the skills that our world needs right now.
Which brings us to a final, really crucial point. As powerful as data science is today, the work of the data detective is just getting started. I mean, the complexity of the problems we're facing and the sheer amount of data we're generating are only going to go up from here. This last clue really points us to the future. The goal isn't to create an AI that replaces the detective. It's about building a powerful new partner for them, one that amplifies human intuition and expertise. The future of data science is all about collaboration, where we work alongside these incredible tools to solve challenges we can't even imagine today. The case is never truly closed. The only question is, which mystery are we going to choose to solve next?